Good morning. So we're just about to leave Lochcarron, where we stayed last night. I gave you a tour round of that yesterday, and we're heading over to Skye to meet up with some friends there for an evening meal, and then we're staying in Garve, which is on the road back to Inverness. We've got 2 nights there actually at Garve, so looking forward to that. So yes, we'll catch up with you later. Not too sure on the mileage today. It's going to be a bit of a jaunt because it's 2 hours from Portree on the Isle of Skye to Garve, and it's about 23 miles from here to Skye. So a little bit of time in the car today for a change. But we benefit tomorrow because we have 2 days in the same place. Hurrah! Anyway, catch you later and give you an update. Just do a quick show of where we were staying. So this was our room. This is the breakfast room. I haven't got a polarizer on here, so you probably can't see very much. You get the gist of a gorgeous view from that window over to the Lochcarron, which, as you can see from the weather today, outbreaks of sun with the occasional rain is forecast. So anyway, catch you later. Bye. Going to photograph the waterfall here on Skye, but it started raining a lot, so I'm just heading back to the car, wait for it to pass, and I'll come back out again. heading up the slipway here on a beautiful little beach on the north end of the island. So far, wherever we've been, it's been heaving here with tourists, which I realise we are tourists as well, with the irony of that. But sort of coach tours by the bucket load, and it's just a bit too busy for our liking, so the recommendation of a friend, they said come up here, and it's glorious because it is actually very quiet, and our friend the wind is with us, so I'll give you a 360 so you can see what we've got here. Stand on this rock. Just come down to the slipway. It's in the shelter of the rocks and what have you, so it's not quite so windy, but it's very slippery. So I'm just being very cautious and judicious on my footsteps, so I don't end up falling over. But I wanted to come down and get some shots of this boat. It's clinker built, traditional boat, and it's being blue against the blue sky, and really it stands out very well. So I shall carry on and I'll show you the shots in a minute.